Peaceful Lakeview retreat on 3 acres, 3-bedroom/2-bath home with split floor plan. Escape to the quiet countryside with this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home perfectly situated on 3 beautiful acres overlooking a tranquil lake. Enjoy the best of rural living with modern comfort and plenty of space to relax, work, and play. The inviting split floor plan offers privacy and functionality, with 2 bedrooms and a full bath on one end and a spacious master suite on the other. The master suite features generous closet space and large master bathroom, providing the perfect retreat at the end of the day. A large mudroom connects to a convenient double carport, ideal for keeping things tidy after time outdoors. The open living area flows easily to the dining space and kitchen, making it perfect for entertaining family and friends. Step outside to a shaded front porch where you can take in peaceful lake views or unwind on the back patio surrounded by mature trees and open green space. With 3 acres of land, there's room for a garden, pets, or simply enjoying the wide open scenery. Whether you're looking for